In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated icons to your Notion pages. By the end, you'll have a smooth, looping animated icon living right on your page, perfect for highlighting sections, drawing attention to a callout, or giving your workspace a little personality. Before we begin, make sure you have your animated icon file ready on your computer. A small looping GIF or a short MP4 usually works best. Keeping the file size modest helps Notion load the page quickly and ensures the animation feels snappy. If possible, name your file clearly so it's easy to spot that when you upload it. Open the Notion page where you want the animated icon to appear and place your cursor exactly where you want to insert it. Now type a /, then start typing the word embed. The slash is Notion's quick command menu, and typing embed brings up the embed block, which is designed to display media and interactive content right inside your page. From the menu that appears, click embed. This will create an embed block and prompt you for content. You'll see options to add a link or choose a file. Since we're working with a file you already have, we'll use the file option in the next step. Click choose a file. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to your animated icon, select it, and confirm. Notion will upload and place it in the block. Supported animated formats typically include GIFs and short videos. If your file seems large, consider trimming or compressing it beforehand to keep your page responsive. Next, select the file you have and let Notion finish the upload. Once it appears, you should see the animation play automatically inside the page. If it doesn't start right away, give it a moment to finish processing. You can always move the block up or down later by dragging the handle on its left, but for now, focus on how it looks in place. Finally, resize it to match your layout. Hover over the edges of the embedded icon until you see the drag handles, then click and drag to make it larger or smaller. Aim for a size that complements your text, small enough to stay subtle if it's decorative, or a bit larger if it's meant to be a visual anchor. Preview the page at different zoom levels to ensure the animation remains crisp and readable without overwhelming your content. That's it. You typed the embed command, added the embed block, chose your file, uploaded it, and resized it to fit. Enjoy your animated icon and the extra polish it brings to your Notion pages.